Hi guys, so today I decided to clean my freezer and my refrigerator. Since I packed into my new apartment, I've not been making use of it, so I want to start making use of it. And I had to clean it because it's kind of dirty. Being a content creator is not easy, especially when you're still trying to grow audience. You people didn't tell me that this thing is not easy, but I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up because one of my goals this year is to become an active content creator, and I'm doing that. Nothing is gonna stop me, no matter how hard it is. I'm not gonna stop. So now the freezer is cleaned. I headed over to cleaning the second refrigerator, that is the one in the parlor. So guys, it's all clean and set. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna bye.